So, hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 31st of March till the 6th of April. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You will find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. So let's start. Aquarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, wow, we have the Eight of Cups. So someone here is trying to detach and move on, and this person is feeling like you are also detaching from them and you're not even looking back. Yeah, this is what they're feeling. Let me clarify the Eight of Cups. We have the Nine of Swords, the Ten of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. So someone here is feeling this is over, this is done, and they're very sure that all they can do in this situation is to keep moving ahead in their life. Now this person is being very practical, very logical, and they feel like, okay, whatever happened. Stressing myself out for the situation all the time is not going to help me in any way. So I should just keep moving ahead in my life. Okay. They're actually giving me a very strong sense of cut the crap. I should move on. Okay. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Four of Pentacles. You feel like holding on to something or someone for dear life. You're like, this is something that you are never going to let go of out of your system. It's like you're holding on to something very tightly, something or someone. Let me clarify the Four of Pentacles. This is something very important for you. We have the Knight of Cups, the Page of Swords, and the Page of Wands. You still have love for somebody. You still have love for someone. You still care for someone. You're watching them from a distance, and you feel like, if not lovers, at least being friends with them. It can be a new person that you're having very strong pull towards, but you're watching them from a distance. There's a sense of distance between you guys. So maybe physical distance, maybe emotional distance, but you feel like a lot of love towards this particular person or situation, and you feel like keeping yourself at a safe distance and portraying to be cool, portraying to be okay with just being friends, or being at a distance with each other if you are talking to them. If not, you feel like even if we are going to be friends for the rest of our lives, I'm okay with that kind of feeling you are having towards something or someone. Obviously someone, not something. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Page of Cups. Said their intention is to apologize or to open up to you in some way, right? They want to open up to you very, not completely open up to you like crazy, just want to open up to you. Maybe opening up the gate of communication, or opening up or starting a friendship kind of a thing, or something like that. So they basically want to keep their heart open in this direction. Let's clarify the Page of Cups. We have the Six of Swords, the Three of Pentacles, the Moon card. Okay. So they want to remain open in this direction, but at the same time, they don't want to repeat the same cycle with you again ever. They want to keep moving forward in their life towards calmer water, letting go of the past baggages, and letting go of this situation that is actually giving them fear and this energy of not being very clear about what is going to happen next. They are not sure what is going to happen next in this lifetime between you and them. So they want to keep their heart open in the direction of whatever will happen in the situation, but at the same time they want to keep moving forward in their life, because they're scared, they are having fears. They're scared of the unknown fear that they're having regarding this coming together or coming back together. Okay, so basically what I'm getting from this person's energy is they want to keep their heart open in this direction, maybe opening up the gates of communication between you and them, but at the same time they want to keep moving forward in their life, because they're not sure is it this situation is ever going to work out between you guys. Okay, this is what they want. Oh god, tough. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Three of Swords. You just want to keep move, like you just want to move on. You just want to move on from the pain. Hmm. You are still you are still in some kind of pain, or this pain is coming back around so that you can heal it and release it properly. You just want to move on and heal. Okay. Something heartbreaking is coming to your uh consciousness again. Yeah. Hmm. You just want to be in a very very stable, grounded and mature kind of energy. You just want, and you want to think about what can you do in this direction so that you can move on and heal properly, and maybe you guys can be, good friends, or maybe you guys can be on good terms with each other. So you want a good term with somebody in your life that you had a breakup or fallout with, and you just want to be a very mature, very grounded kind of person where you are learning your lessons, getting your blessings, but you are not ready to let this person go completely out of your life, out of your system. You still want to stay connected to them somehow, in some way or some manner, maybe just as a friend, or maybe just as a known person. Two energies existing on this planet earth, but at peace with each other. Whatever the case may be, you don't want to let this person go completely out of your life, still want to remain attached somehow. Okay, let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 6th of April, Aquarius, in this situation, in this direction. We have the Nine of Wands. Okay, it's like you putting your boundaries up. Yeah, feeling like you should not let your guards down. Okay, keeping your guards very very high because you are already hurt. Okay, let me clarify the Nine of Wands. I'm getting distracted today by this reading. What is happening? Don't know. I should take a break. The Star, the Five of Swords, the Lovers. Yeah, you will be in this continuous energy of fighting with yourself, like I should choose this person, or I should choose somebody else, or I should try to heal the situation, I should do this, I should do that. Your mind is going to take you to places where you don't want to even go, right? And you are going to be continuously in this struggleful kind of energy of, although I am keeping my guards up, I'm not going to allow anybody to hurt me or harm me in any way, but what should I do in this direction? Should I hope for the best? Should I wait for this person to come back around? Should I go for new people, new energies, or should I open up? Should I not? Should I date? Should I not? These kind of energy is going to these kind of energies and these kind of thoughts are going to keep you occupied. And the more you are going to be in this energy of no, just don't think about it, ignore it, the more it's going to come to haunt you. So it's better to just let it be, right? Yeah, for you the guidance here is the Five of Cups. You have to go through this pain in order to release it and heal it properly. Aquarius, I was getting quite positive readings for you, maybe from 2-3 weeks, but this pain, this energy is coming back around so that you can heal it and release it properly. Something or someone is not gone out of your life, out of your system completely the way they should. You might have said goodbye to them, and like physically, and you might be in this ego, oh my god, I left them, they are gone, I don't care, I'm an Aquarius. But something is coming to your knowledge again so that you can heal it and release it properly. So this situation is, or this feeling or this energy is not coming back around to hurt you. This is actually coming back around to help you so that you can let it go completely out of your system. Even if it is going to take you 5 years, doesn't matter. But let this go, let this pain go completely, then only go to the next chapter of your life. Don't rush to make any kind of choices and decisions, at least in this energy. You are going to make another shitty choice if you are going to like operate in these kind of energies. Trust me, I'm doing it from a very long time now. You can trust me on this. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.